Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can find working Hungry Jocks promo codes. So the best way that you can do here is go to Google Chrome and search for Hungry Jocks promo code. And from here, as you can see, you will find a bunch of websites where you can find the promo codes. So we have here like OZ Bargain, we have the Backscoop for going to tap on that. Then you will find the current promo codes this month. So you can just basically select one here, or you can scroll down and find coupon birds. So here on coupon birds, as you can see, we have 20% off. We have a 30% off. And then if you're going to scroll down, you will find like $2 off. And if you're going to scroll down, we have $5 to $8 off, 20% off. So you just have to select here. For example, if you're going to tap on the first one, then you will find copy the code and shop at the hungryjocks.com.au. So just tap on the copy button and then go to the website and then just have to paste this copied code so you can use in order to get the voucher or discount. So just need to follow that instructions. So and you can use different websites to basically get the codes. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.